How to use Bluesky Explore Page. Firstly, go to Bluesky official account. Make sure that you are logged in or sign in to your account. On the left side, you will see the Explore option. Click on the Explore tab. Now at the top, you should see your interest. In the home page, you will only see content that is of your interest. But in Explore page, you can discover something new. You will see all the interests that you have chosen here while creating your account. You can even edit this interest if you like. Simply click on edit and now you can select or remove other things. Along with that, there are also different kind of sections in Explore page. You will see the top content that's trending here. For example, London, Charlie Crick, and many more. There's also news feed which you can discover. If you find something interesting or important, you can pin the feed. If you scroll down more, then you will see other suggested accounts and starter packs. To sum up, in Explore page, you will find something new that you haven't seen in your home page. That's all for today. Thank you.